Hi, so in this video I'll be showing how I achieved this background setting. It's really budget friendly. You can also make yours too because your wall doesn't have to be boring anymore. It can also serve as a wall decor in your living room or your bedroom. So, if you are interested to see how I achieved this budget friendly wall decor, then just keep watching, okay? And also, don't forget to give a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching and if you learned something from it. Thank you. Hello everyone, how are you all doing today? I hope you all are doing well and I hope you all are staying safe. If this is your first time to my channel, my name is Ifeanyi and I say a very big welcome to you. This is a lifestyle channel where we do lots of DIY tutorials. So this is something you are interested in seeing, then welcome to the family. Do endeavor to subscribe, push the notification bell so that I can always get notified whenever I post a new video. And to my returning subscribers, oh my god, you guys are the best. Thank you for always coming back. And today I want to be talking about something really interesting, and that is how I achieved my background, as you can see in this video. If this is something you are interested in seeing, then keep watching. So in achieving a beautiful background like this, the first thing you will be needing is a wall. Yes, we all know that, right? We need a wall. I don't know. Can there really be a backdrop or a background without a wall? I don't really know. So we need a wall to achieve this, and you can actually get like a little space. You don't have to get like a whole room for you to be able to get a background. No, you just need like a nice space. It just has to be like, this big, the size of your camera, where your camera can cover, and you're good to go. It can be in the living room, it can be in the bathroom, it can be in the kitchen, it can be in the balcony. Wherever you get space, your garage, anywhere you can find space is fine, as long as there is good lighting. Yes, I prefer using natural lights. That's the second thing we need to talk about now. I prefer using natural lights. As you can see, I have like two big windows here. Birds, um they are behind me, so I still need like a front camera, a front lights that I can actually be using. I also need a front light, but during the daytime it brightens up the whole room in a way that I really like. But if you don't have like a good natural light coming in whichever area of the house you want to be using, you can also go for artificial light. It's still very okay. And the next thing I want to be talking about is DIYs I did in this video. First of all, the hanging shelf you are seeing, I made those out of popsicle sticks. Yes, all I did was glue them together, and voila, I got that. If this is something you're interested in seeing, just hold on, let me show you how I made that. beautiful and nice. The DIY I did also was the picture frames on the wall. Yes, I just went to Pinterest and picked out things that I really liked, and I just did some motivational quotes on them. I just did that and printed them out. And for the frames, I just rolled some papers together, glued them to form that shape, and that is what we have there. If this is something you are interested in seeing how I achieved it, just let me know and I will do a video on that and show you how I got that. If you don't like it, you can also go to Pinterest and see for yourself. There are so many things there. You can pick out the one you like and make it happen. The other thing I did in this background was my mirror. I've had that mirror for like 15 years. Yes, I've had it. It's been that old. All I did was just refurbish it and spray painted it, and it came out that beautiful. Isn't it nice? The next thing is the green plants you're seeing behind me. Yes, I'm a plant lover. I love having plants around me. I've had that plant for like 4 to 5 months now. All I did was from the other side of the house where it was to my background here, and I am loving it. I love where it is now. Isn't it nice? And plants are so inexpensive, guys. If it's something you want to do, in case if you haven't checked that out or you haven't priced it before, plants are so inexpensive. You can actually get it. I think I got this one for like 1,500 then. And for the flower pots, I think I got that for like 1,2 or even 1,5. So they are so inexpensive. It's something you can do if it's something you like. And if you are the kind of person that can't take care of plants, or you feel that maybe you don't have the time to do, you can actually go for artificial plants. Yes, that one's you don't even care doing anything, or you don't even need to do anything, just put it there and it's there. But I'm a plant lover, so I just have to go for that. So, and the fairy lights or Christmas lights, I call it Christmas lights, we call it that in here in Nigeria though. So for the Christmas light, I just had to put that there just to make the background pop a little bit more and look a little bit nicer, because it was really dark. Because the room I'm using for this, I don't have enough lights. I'm still using just the ring light, so I don't have enough lights. So all I did was just put those Christmas lights there to make that place look really nice and beautiful, just to define my wall and separate me from the wall, else we'll just be looking like the same thing. So guys, if you have watched till this time, thank you so very much. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. You guys are the best. If you liked this video and you enjoyed watching, then please just give me a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about my background. Is it nice? Do you like it? Do you like how it turned out to be? Once again, thank you so much for watching till this time. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Love you all. Bye.